Noen Incorporation is a company that has been operating on the Czech and international market since 1997.
It employs a team of 90 highly qualified designers and engineers with long-term experience. The company's main activities include design and engineering of machines and equipment for open-pit mining, long-distance belt conveyor systems, material handling equipment at the dump and delivery of machines and equipment for bulk material stockyards. Currently, the company has 4 main offices located in Prague, Unitov, Chrudim, and Bylina. Its biggest contracts over the last couple of years include internal and external coal handling for the Ledvice power plant. The system is based on coal handling conveyor bridges made of steel. Their total number will be 11, and they will connect shower towers, a feeder reservoir, a crushing station, and a boiler room. The modern coal handling system for the new supercritical unit burning down brown coal with an output of 660 megawatts will be built by 2012. This will be the most advanced power plant not only in the Czech Republic but in the whole of Central Europe.
Right now, we're at the erection site Jana next to the Bylina mine. Here you can see the bottom structure.
A machine of this size has not been produced in the Czech Republic for 30 years, and Noen AS is one of only 6 companies in the world capable of designing it. The wheel diameter of the unique bucket wheel excavator KK1300 is 13 meters. Its height about 50 meters and weight almost 5,000 tons. The excavator should be released for the takeover test and the long-term performance test in 2011. Noen AS has become the main partner of Severočeské doly Incorporated. Other major companies it has cooperated with or cooperates with include Mostecká uhelná společnost Incorporated, Prodeco Incorporated, Clement Incorporated, and Sokolovská uhelná Incorporated. In 2005, the company entered into a master agreement on due diligence,
Feasibility study,
an assessment and preparation of a solution to deal with specific issues from investment, economic and technical points of view, of mining equipment for ČEZ, with respect to all future acquisitions by ČEZ. Designing is our game.